Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is layout for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I am using the stacked books from her latest release in November here. I decided to take this photo that is of my crazy week that I had in the month of May for school, and use the stacked books, or the stacked cut file book, as one of my major, the major focal point of it, because out of all of the schools, for whatever reason, in the end of April to the beginning of May, we had a spike in COVID cases, and then we had to go out for a week. So when I should have been able to wear jeans and all of this fun stuff, we were at home during Teacher Appreciation Week because of it. So I decided, and it was funny because that particular week was just crazy in general, because we really, the Friday before, I took off because I had appointments, and then Fran came over, to then us not going back to school. So I was like, what in the world? And it's funny because every time I would take a day off, we would go out for learn from home days. So I was like, this is it. I'm never going to take a day off again, because this is like, really? What the heck? So that is what the photo is. Yes, it is wine. Yes, it is a Friday night, and I had a glass because it was a crazy week, like completely. So off camera, I did back this with papers from our back to school collection out of Close to My Heart, and I'll link that down below. And then I got out the September Hip Kit collection and finished using up a lot of the embellishments for that collection because it matched. And because this was all school related and all of that, I thought it would work. So there are certain spots in this cut file that I did not back. So like all of the thicker black pieces that you see, you can manipulate some of the cut files to make it look like it's a full book and like a thicker part of it. So instead of you having to back the top and the bottom and the sides of the book, I made it to where you would see the front cover or the back cover of it, and it was like black. So it was like, you know, like you would take the cover off of the book and you would just see the book itself. So anyway, that is what I kind of did for there. I didn't take any books off of it. This is how thick she had it. I made this cut file 11 inches by 11.25 inches tall. So 11 inches wide by 11.25 inches tall, because I wanted it to be the big focal point of my layout, because it was like a crazy day, a crazy week, this, that, and the other. I did do my white splatters off camera. I used my Dana Winkley's color palette, and I'm just going through some of the collections that I do have left over. I absolutely love how this turned out. It is very simple for me. You guys will find that this was a simple layout, but I feel that it made a big impact in my school. I have a school album, like 2 school albums actually, to believe it or not, that I started to put all of my layouts that were school related into that album. So it's growing because I am taking photos of what my school years are like and just placing them in there, because I feel like I know for a fact I'll go look back and see what I have done over the years, because that's just me. Let's see here. Now I did pull out this Jen Hedfield. It's not, I think it's reaching, no, it's the latest, it's her latest collection. I can't remember what it's called, but it's the one after Reaching Out. And I wanted to add some gold elements, like I added some florals and all this kind of stuff kind of coming off the stack of books, because that's just me. for that respect. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. She has released a ton of new ones for the month of November here. And let me tell you, I will tell you that the design team is getting geared up for Christmas. We're doing a lot. Virginia is always an amazing design team owner and whatnot, and where she's giving us the week of Christmas off. So all of our design team layouts are always going to be in the beginning of December. So you're going to see a ton there. Obviously, you'll have all my stuff in November. I'm not going to start December. I know a lot of people are starting December daily type stuff or December documented. You know me. I won't start until December 1. And she is housing a big thing in December. So you got to be on the lookout for what we are doing for the month of December. So I'm coming in with these little bits of glitter. And I wanted to add them in different spots. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I am super close. I am 2 months away from having, hopefully, my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I would love to have you if you are new. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design teams, collaborations, all of this fun stuff. And I am also a close to my heart maker, along with design team for Confessions. And I have been with her this whole entire time, and it is awesome and fantastic, and I love it. So my still shots are coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.